Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Ashley. I like to create content based on cleaning and organization, basically anything homemaking related. So in today's video, I'm 36 weeks and I want to say 4 days pregnant right now. And I filmed this video yesterday, so I'm still in nesting mode and I'm really starting to wind down a bit, but I do have a list of things that I've been wanting to get done, one of which has been to clean our mattress. So to clean our mattress, I am using the Bissell little green machine. So you'll see I'm just using the cleaner that is supposed to go with it. And I've done this, I think I share a little bit later in the video. I did this the first time probably June of last year when I got this machine for my birthday, and then I decided I wanted to do it again before the baby comes because I don't know about you and ladies or gentlemen, whoever's watching this, but especially ladies, I have been profusely sweating at night since 28 weeks. And I know some people might be like, ew, gross, like you don't have a mattress cover. My husband and I did try a mattress cover, and I've been looking on Amazon, but some of the reviews are just a little wonky, and I do think a mattress cover would be way more cleanly and easier to manage. But for right now, this is just what we're doing. So you guys can see all I'm doing is just kind of going in with the machine. You just fill the left side with, I did warm water and a little bit of the solution, and then it filters through, and then all the dirty water that it pulls comes through on the right hand side. So you guys are gonna see how dirty our mattress is. Okay, so this is just after one use. You guys saw I didn't get to the whole bed. I got to like this part right here, a little bit in the middle. I started working here. There's also a stain right here that I want to get out. So what I'm going to do is empty this out and then refill this tank with new cleaner. Hopefully that will get me to the rest of the bed, and if not, I'll just fill it one more time. So as I mentioned, I did get the green machine as a birthday gift last year from my mom, and it actually came with a small size of the cleaner that it's supposed to come with. And I had just run out of that, and I ordered a new one on Amazon. So you guys saw that big bottle, which is gonna last us a pretty long time. And it's good to have because we have a baby on the way. But I ordered that on Amazon. It was about $11. I definitely would recommend using the cleaners that are meant for these certain products, just because you don't want to, you want the best results. So definitely spend the money, make sure that you're using the correct cleaners, and I definitely think you won't be disappointed. So this is the second round of what the little green machine was able to pick up. Honestly, Princess has been on edge. I don't think she likes the sound of this machine. Honestly, our mattress was not as bad as I thought it was. It's definitely wet and damp. You have to let it dry for a little bit. I'm washing the sheets, but I definitely wanted to get this done before baby came, so I'm very happy that I was able to do this. The last time I did it was probably, I want to say June of last year when I first got this machine. So maybe like once, twice a year, if you have the ambition to do it more, do it more. I know some people are probably going to be like, ew, gross, you guys don't have a mattress cover. I agree, especially since I have been sweating a lot this pregnancy. I've heard postpartum sweats can be tough, but my husband and I have tried a mattress cover before. The one that we got, it was very like crinkly. So I'm definitely on the hunt for a good mattress cover. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions. Sorry, I just did that wide view. You can see the rest of our room. A lot going on, doing some laundry, took the bedding off. There's actually clean clothes in that basket that's folded that needs to go away. And yeah, just my puke, my puke bucket. Been very handy this pregnancy, and our little cart and like all the meds that I need. We're gonna go empty this out, and I'm gonna say that is a job well done for today. So right now I'm just emptying out that dirty water and rinsing the container with water. And I did lay out a dish towel that you'll see here shortly just to let the pieces kind of dry. That's the only downfall I have to say about this machine is it's just messy. I feel like water gets everywhere when you're using it. And of course, when you are cleaning it, you want to make sure that it's nice and clean so that the next time you're ready to use it, you don't have to worry about any like gunk or anything in there from the previous use. So I just wanted to add this clip in here, and then also another clip of me just tidying up the couches in our living room. I actually did this before I started cleaning our mattress, but I figured a little bit more cleaning motivation and content would not hurt. So right now I'm just putting away dishes that I took out of the dishwasher. I do lay out dish towels to let them dry. That way when I put them in the cabinets, they're not like dripping wet, and I just don't want them to, impact our cabinets in any way. So I'm just putting those away and then cleaning up the dishes in the sink. So I just wanted to show you a quick before of our Dyson without anything in it, and then I'll show you an after of how dirty our couches can really get. I want to say I probably vacuumed them maybe like 2 weeks ago, not even, but the amount of dust that our Dyson can collect from these couches is pretty crazy and incredible. And I also just really wanted to clean our couches well because we have a little Morkie, but she licks her paws excessively. She's sitting here with me right now. And for a little white dog that's 10 pounds, she can be quite the stinker sometimes. So I don't know, my pregnancy nose has been kicking in and I just feel like our couch was starting to get a little stinky. So I wanted to just kind of give it a good vacuum. You'll see a little bit later, I'm going to just Febreze the couch. And then behind me, I had already washed just some blankets that we were using in pillowcases. Sometimes like there's no better feeling than a quick refresh. And then of course I always say, you know, to my like friends and husband, like you want to live in your home. Like our homes aren't always going to look pristine all the time. And we definitely do live in our home, but it's also good to get that motivation to clean and to do the deep cleaning here and there because you really have to maintain, you know, a nice home. And that's something to me that I've always liked cleaning and organizing ever since I was little. Like my room used to be pristine when I was younger. And that's just how I've always been. And my husband is very similar. And, you know, we like to take care of the things that we own. Yeah, we don't have the nicest, biggest house in the world or XYZ, but we just love everything that we do have, you know, as corny as that sounds. So we just want to take good care of it, you know, and we want it to last. And we put a lot of love and effort into our home and, you know, purchasing decor. And we were just thinking about it actually last night, how, you know, how far we've come in the past 2.5 years. Like we really had nothing when we started out. And I remember that feeling. And it just feels really good to basically have the home that you've always kind of dreamed of. And I know people would tell me like, it takes time. But when you first move into your home, it's like you want everything done. But I have to agree with everybody. It does take some time. So, you know, if you're in that season of life where you're moving into a home for the first time, you feel the same way, just know that yes, it takes time, but the best part is that you can make it your own and, you know, it can be whatever home means to you. But you guys will see, you know, through my channel that like my home is very important to me and my husband, and I am a homebody, and that's why I, you know, am creating content like this because I just want to share that with other people, you know, that also share the same interests as me. And I know that sounds so silly, you know, like some people like to travel and do this and that. Like I love to be at home. Like I love to, you know, be comfortable and cozy and clean my house. It makes me feel good and refreshed and have things stocked up, ready to go. I know that sounds probably so silly or bizarre to some people, but that's what makes me feel good. So yeah. That was quite a bit of I can't even talk. That was quite a bit of a rant. But, you know, nonetheless, thank you guys so much for being here today. You know, if you're still with me on this video, leave a comment down below how you came across my channel. And yeah, hit that subscribe button, that like button, and please stick around for more videos.